I found this straw hat at the Dollar Tree. And again, I'm going back to the grass skirt. I did find this one at Hobby Lobby. I went and checked for you guys. And they have them for about $3. And these do feel a little different. They feel a little bit more like straw. I cut 2 sections off and I just use a zip tie to store the rest. I'm going to take these 2 sections and I'm going to zip tie the ends together. So it's nice, one long piece of grass. I'm going to take some hot glue, and where I connected, that's where I'm going to glue to the top rim of the hat. I'm taking a piece of wood. I actually got this wood from the Dollar Tree as well, and it has a hanger on it, so I do have a hanger now for this hat. And I just need something to staple into. So I put the wood just in back as I pinched the front rim forward and stapled it in place. Now I'm going to glue this grass around the center portion of the hat and just tie it together just to hold it for now. I found these googly eyes at Dollar General in a pack, and I'm going to add them to the center of the hat. I found a button that I'm going to paint in goldenrod, which is a kind of a more golden yellow. Once dry, I'm going to put that as a nose. I'm going to use this trimmed burlap. I'm going to paint it red. I'm going to use this for the mouth. Glue that down. Now I'm going to braid the strands of the grass that are falling down. I'm just going to do a few braids, and then I found this black and white ribbon that I'm going to tie to the braid. I'm going to do this on both sides. I'm going to glue the ribbon to the rim of the hat and trim back the ribbon. I found these sprays of leaves and acorns at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to put some hot glue and stuff it in the crease of the upper portion of the hat on either side. Then I'm going to glue one to the top of the hat. Kind of coming over the rim. I have some sunflowers. I'm going to clip off 2 and also glue them to the top of the rim. I found this black and white bandana at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to roll it up. I'm going to take the same ribbon that I used on the ponytails, and I'm going to tie it in the center of the burlap, turn it over, and glue it just under the face of the hat, the lower portion of the hat. I'm going to cut the bandana back, and then I'm going to tuck in each end and glue it just to give it a finish. And so it almost looks like a bow tie. There you go. Now you have this cute little scarecrow face for your front door. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfers, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com.